Hello, welcome back. I didn't intend on actually doing anything for the table yet, but I decided I had some 2x4s, so I kind of got started. And here's what I did. I set up a block over here to do all my lengths. I was going to do the main legs 34 inches. Set that up, cut them all. Then I literally took two pieces of wood here because I knew I was going to have a lower and a top rail, and cut my inner piece for my joined 2x4s. Then I started thinking I don't want it, you know, at the top of course you want it, but at the bottom you don't. So I figured out a certain length for these other pieces, the inner pieces, and I cut them. So I'll have this much from the floor up for the first leg and then up to the top. So now I'm putting them together. And here's what I'm doing. I'm literally just lining them up. Stubbing in what would be the cross piece on the bottom. So we're flat at the bottom. Cross piece. And then flat, so that will be tight. And getting that all lined up, then I'm drilling my holes and screwing them together. So now we have our holes drilled, little pilots. So it's just screwing in the pieces to get our leg. We're doing 6 of them. Of course, the 4 corners and a mid. I did a CNC. Oh, good Lord. Many years ago, a decade ago or so, when the 80-20 thing was a big thing. I think it was one of the first ones to make a big giant one. So I know this table is going to be strong enough. And everybody talks about the bounce and the shake, and yeah, they do, but the whole machine shakes with it. It's really not a fucking problem. I've never had a problem with it anyway. We make sure we're straight, lined up tight, screw them down, so then we'll have our legs pre-made. Now we have those together, and I already did the other ones, which you can see back there. But one thing I did not take into account when I took the inner piece and lined it up and cut it here was kerf from the blade. So for the top piece, I want the top here to be level with the top of the leg, so we have structure and support. So I'm literally just going to mark them, take it over to the saw, use my little shadow line and make that black line go away so we match. And much. Now we have a leg. One will go across the bottom, it'll be our shelf, a little clearance off the floor. Top will be a support rail with cross members. So that's what I'm doing today, now. We'll get that done and see where we go from there. Tomorrow I'll probably pick up more 2x4s, and we'll do the cross members, and of course the outer structure for the full size. I think I'm literally just going to make the table a full sheet size. It'll be big, but I can always use extra work space if needed. Thanks for checking in.